Hey guys, Lachlan here.
Today we've got something special. I know I say that all the time, but this is something I've been wanting for a while. Never had the money to get. So, without stalling too much, here it is. We got the tablet off to the side. It's an iPad. We got one very long USB-A to Lightning, which feels very nice.
That was all in the box. That was in the box.
And here it's wrapped very good in bubble wrap. Wow. For a refurbished iPad, that doesn't look too bad. So here is the back of the iPad itself.
They screwed me over. They popped
Here's
the bubbles.
the front. Sorry about that, guys, but we got the iPad turned on, and as you can see, it's, well, you can't really see it on screen, but it's at 75%. The home button I think it should have Touch ID on it. Give me a minute. So, flipping around now, we've got, okay, set up manually, because I don't have a iPhone anymore. Give me a minute. There we go. Got it connected to the Wi-Fi. I'm sorry. I just didn't want y'all to know my Wi-Fi password. Now you can see it's got 75%. It's connected to the Wi-Fi. It's an hour behind, or maybe 2. I don't know. But it's taken a few minutes to set up the iPad or activate it. I didn't get this with 4G. I just got it with Wi-Fi, which I'm completely okay with. It is 32 gigs, which for an iPad, I've never had it, so I don't know if that's going to be enough storage. There we go. It's okay. Continue. It's got Touch ID, so I'm gonna set that up later. There we go. Just had to create a password. Don't transfer. Give me a minute. I gotta make an Apple ID. Okay, so apparently I could I didn't have to make an Apple ID right now. Set up, share, continue. Oh, that's nice. So here is the Apple. There's the iPad. Going into settings, I'm gonna see what type it is. Oh, it's a 5th gen. Huh. It's not bad. But yeah, I mean, it ain't bad. Yeah. Well, I guess that's it for the video. Thanks for watching, and as always, make you like, subscribe, and comment what you want to see next. Yeah, that's it. This was Two Tech. See you in the next video.